Hello everyone. In this video session, I am going to explain you JSON with PHP. Okay. In my JavaScript video session, you have probably watched my video related to JSON with JavaScript. Okay, in which I have just give introductory part of a JSON. What is JSON? Okay, and how to convert JavaScript object into JSON and vice versa. So in this video of PHP series, I will explain you how to convert your PHP object into JSON data and reverse. Okay, JSON to PHP. It is very easy and you will learn quickly if you already know what is JSON. Okay, JSON, JavaScript object notation. Okay, and you probably know that how to declare JavaScript, how to create JSON data. Okay, this is not my JSON, but how can we create JSON data? It's like very simple. Okay, just this is how can I create my JSON data. In JSON data there is just name value pair. Okay, for example, if this is name, then what is value of this name? So that is Parul. Okay, so this is the format of my JSON data. You can see that this is my name pair and this is my value pair. Okay, and both are separated by single colon. So this represent my JSON data. You can take more field like name, age, surname, just like that. Okay, so okay, let's start. First of all, PHP. Okay, inside this PHP script, first of all I am going to create one class, that is student. Okay, this student class has a property, for example, like a variable $name, its ID, its name of college. After that, in which semester. Okay, after that let me take branch. Okay, so this is the properties of my student class. I am not defining any functions or method. Okay, I just want to create one object using this class. Okay, so now I'm going to create one object. Student is equals to, using new keyword, and student. Okay, so my object is created, student object. Now I want to assign value to this property of this student class. Okay, so how can I access property of this class using this object? Okay, so first one is name is equals to, let's say, Parul. Okay, after that ID is equals to 1 2 3. After that college is equals to, let's say, GMIT. STD student. After that branch. Okay, branch is equals to ID. All covered. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4. Which one is left? Semester. Okay, student semester is equals to 5th. So over here we have assign value to all the properties of this student object, which are defined in this student class. Okay, now this has become your object. After you basically know that this is my object. Okay, now I want to convert this PHP student object into JSON data. Okay, so how can I do that? Very easy. Okay, let's say this is my JSON student. That means this student object is created to JSON. Okay, and there is built-in method in PHP to create PHP object to convert PHP object into JSON. Okay, and you can see that this is the method which is used to convert. Now you can see that over here it returns JSON representation of a value. Okay, just read this description. This return the string containing JSON representation of its supplied, that is value. Okay, now just pass object of PHP. Okay, and now I'm going to print this JSON student. Okay, save this and run the script. Okay, well, you can see that this is the representation of my PHP object into JSON statement. Okay, your name, parole, ID is equals to 123, college and semester. These all are the name of particular field in my JSON data, and these all are the values of name. Okay, so this is how can I convert my PHP object into JSON data. Okay, now let's do reverse operation. That means to convert your JSON data into PHP. Now we have over here we have converted PHP into JSON. That means this is the JSON data. Okay, now I'm going to convert this into PHP. So let's do that. Okay, this is my PHP student is equals to over here you have used JSON and code. Okay, so over here to perform reverse operation, the method name is JSON decode. Okay, and what is name of my JSON? Okay, JSON student. Okay, this is the way how to use this function JSON decode. Okay, what will this function do? It will convert JSON data to PHP data. Okay, and I am just going to print this statement. But I will use print R. Okay, save this and run the script. Okay, well, you can see that this is our first line. Okay, and this is the second statement which is printed by JSON decode function. Okay, so we have decoded our data. Okay, and it is in form of PHP. Now it is not exactly like associative array. Okay, if I want to convert it into array, then I can do that using okay, I'm just going to copy pasting it. Now over here you just need to add one more parameter, that is true. So what does it mean? If you add this true over here, then this your PHP data, it will be converted into PHP array. Okay, now let me just update it, save this and run the script. Okay, you can see that this is just a simple decode method without second argument. Okay, and this is the result of my JSON decode function with second argument as a true. So this is how can I convert my PHP object into JSON and reverse JSON data to PHP. Okay, you can see that this is associative array, this is the key and this is the value. Okay, I hope you understood it well and keep practicing. Bye bye.